The following video is practice on questions about wages. There's three types of wages: hourly, salary, and piecework. Here's an example of each and how you would solve them. Let's look at number one. Joe makes $9.25 an hour and works for 36 hours. How much money does Joe make? In order to complete this problem, I would do the amount Joe makes per hour, $9.25, and multiply that by the number of hours Joe works. I would type that in my calculator. $9.25 times 36, that gets me $333. That's my answer and how you would do a question about hourly wages. 2. Allie has a salary of $28,000 a year and gets paid monthly. How much is her monthly paycheck? Now the key word is monthly. If she gets paid monthly, that means she gets paid 12 times a year. So in order to break this down or break up how much they make, I have to divide. So I'm going to type in my calculator, $28,000 divided by 12. That's how many months are in a year. So 28,000, notice I'm not putting the comma in either on my calculator, divided by 12. Now this is money, which means I don't have to write all of these threes down. With money, I only go 2 after the decimal point. So I would write down $2,333.33. That's how much Allie's paycheck would be for 1 month. We'll be dividing her salary up by how many months there are in a year. 3. This is a piecework question. Sandra gets paid 45 cents per flag she makes. She makes 412 flags in a single day. How much would she get paid for her work? For piecework, it's much like wages, where you take how much she gets paid, or her rate, and you multiply that by the amount of hours, or in this case, the amount of items the person makes. Here I'm going to multiply 45 cents times 412 to get me an amount. Now this is money. This is not an acceptable answer to put down. I have to go 2 after the decimal point each time. So I would put down $185.40. Since 0.4 is not how money is described, I would have to put the 0 behind it. Use this video to help guide you learning about wages.